Warning: do not overabuse this method shown in this tutorial video. Exclusive information shown in this video is not known by the general public. Please only follow the methods and instruction if you agree to apply this in an ethical way and wisely use the money that you've earned. You are about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online. And today I want to show you this website where you can earn $10 for every 2 minutes of work. But there's a catch. This will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow the entire video. So, if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step on this video. This is absolutely free and available worldwide. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. Now let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, I want you to go into this website, which is g2.com. On this website, you have different categories of software. As you can see, people are giving ratings for all of these software, from 0 stars to 5-star rating. By giving simple ratings on this website, you can get paid over and over again. And don't worry, this is much easier and simpler than what you think. Just make sure to pay close attention because I want to show you a few real-life examples on exactly how to do this. If you don't follow my steps, you will end up not making any money. I want you to scroll down below this website and you can look for this one that says using a software, and basically you're going to write a review and give a rating. So just go ahead and click on this button right here, and that's going to take you to this page where there are a series of steps that you have to follow. Step number 1, you're going to select a software or a product to give ratings. Step 2, you basically have to leave a simple review. Step 3, you have to share it. As simple as that. And you can make $10 or even up to $20 over and over again. So real quick, let me show you everything starting right now. The first step is that you actually have to find and choose the different product which you want to give a rating. There are different categories of software that you can do. For example, sales, marketing, design, e-commerce, and so on. So let's say if you want to review a product in the information technology category, all you have to do is just click on this button right here, and that's going to take you to this page where you can find different software. If you scroll down below, you can find so many different software and different products which you could simply give ratings and make money. There are plenty of options on this website and the earning opportunity is unlimited. You can do this in less than 5 minutes and you can do it as much as you want. Now for the purpose of this video, I'll give an example using Google Drive. And I believe a lot of you have heard of Google Drive before. So what you could do is just go ahead and select the product by clicking on this box right here. You can actually choose on multiple products. If for example you want to give a rating on Dropbox, you just click on this box right here and then you have selected 2 products. So once you've selected Google Drive, I want you to go ahead and click on continue. Moving on to step number 2, now please pay close attention. As you can see here, write a short review on one of the products you use. And the product that we are going to review is Google Drive. So just click on the review button here to start giving a rating. Now before we get started, you actually have to log in or create a free account on g2.com. Once you create a free account, you can now give a rating on the software and start making money. All you have to do is just click on continue to log in, and that's going to take you to the sign in or create an account page. You can choose between LinkedIn, Google Business Email, or Business Email. Once you've created an account, it's time to give out those ratings. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your region. Now pay very close attention because if you do it wrongly, you might not be able to make any money. How likely is it that you would recommend Google Drive to a friend or a colleague? You can give a rating on this question from 0 to 10. Now I'm going to give this a 10 rating, which is very likely that you can recommend the software to other people. In this case, I do love Google Drive a lot because I'm using it every single day. So I'm just going to give a 10-star rating right away. Moving on to the next step is the title for your review. You can type type something to express your opinion and your experience in using the Google Drive software. So now I'm going to give you a bonus tip to help you to start making money. Now this is the Google Drive software that a lot of people are giving reviews and giving them a lot of ratings. Over 11,000 reviews provided by other people from different countries around the world. And if you scroll down below, you can find out more information about Google Drive, and the most important thing is that you can get so many ideas on how other people are writing their review. Find written reviews provided by other people and try to make your own review based on other people's reviews. Do not just copy and paste the reviews because it will not be accepted and you will not get paid any money. They explained about what they like best about the software and what they dislike about the software. You can get so many ideas and so many inspiration from other people's reviews. You can refer to them on how they write simple reviews on g2.com, and you can do exactly the same thing and start making money starting today. So in this case, I gave a very high rating and I'm going to give this a title, Best for Sharing Files Online, Recommended. Moving on to the next question, you are going to finish answering all of them in order to receive your money. So what do you like best about Google Drive and what do you dislike about Google Drive? This is pretty simple because you only have to write 40 characters for what you like and what you dislike about Google Drive. You can get a lot of reference from a lot of other reviewers here on g2.com. There are hundreds and hundreds of other people that give ratings on Google Drive and give them a simple review, and they are able to make a lot of money online. So let's get started. What do you like best about Google Drive? I'll just say something like this. What I like best is the simplest way of saving your files, documents, photos, and videos, and the ability to share it with someone else despite of not having a USB drive that can cost you a couple of dollars. So this is the reason why I love Google Drive. Short and simple. Next question. What do you dislike? I am just going to write something like this. Something that could have been better is the way how to organize the files. I hope there's a way to organize it, or maybe there is, but I have not been able to check on it. So again, that was short and simple. And you can do this in less than 5 minutes. And once you're done giving the ratings and writing a simple review about Google Drive, let's go down below and agree to the statement above. Just click on this box right here. So this is where you certify that this review is based on your own experience and it is your own genuine opinion of the software. Finally, complete all the questions above to see your grade and submit your review. So just click on the submit button, go back to the home page to find different categories or other software to write a simple review and rating. You can just choose from hundreds of different software, and by doing that, you are able to make $10 up to $20 over and over again without any previous experience in less than 5 minutes. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!